So once our order is keyed, it'll come up like this because it's asking you for another line. So we know we're finished this order now, so you just escape and it will show you the lines of the order, and then so we can see with 3 lines. So we want to print this now, so you click print, and you have to click print here. You can't hit Control and P. And acknowledgement, yes, and we want to save. Okay to print, yes. Load the lines. And then we can see this is our order. So we can see it's an AAA for the sales order. We can see it's DX ROI for the courier. We can see the order number that's our picking sheet number. That's our customer code, and then the lines of the order, and that's the total number of the lines. And so once we're happy, we can hit print. Now we can hit print plain, which is in the sales office, or it can be printed down to the storage guides themselves. So you just hit storage and printer, and that's how you put on an order and print it.